Have you ever found yourself in the middle of developing a Chrome extension, only to hit a wall when trying to detect tab duplication? It can be frustrating, right? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to detect tab duplication events in your Chrome extension. I totally get it. Trying to figure out how to manage tabs effectively can be a real headache. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with the Chrome extension API. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I detect when a tab is duplicated in my Chrome extension? They were looking for an event listener, like onDuplicate.addListener. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the deal with tab duplication? When a user duplicates a tab, it can lead to confusion or even performance issues. Understanding how to detect this event can help you manage tabs more effectively in your extension. And stick around. I have a valuable tip at the end that will enhance your Chrome extension development skills. To detect tab duplication events in a Chrome extension, the user should start by listening for the onCreated event from the tabs API. This event triggers whenever a new tab is created. Next, the user needs to check if the newly created tab is a duplicate. This can be done by comparing the URL of the new tab with the URLs of existing tabs. The user can implement this logic inside the event listener. If a duplicate is detected, they can take appropriate action, such as notifying the user or closing the duplicate tab. Finally, the user should test their extension to ensure that it correctly identifies duplicate tabs. They can do this by opening multiple tabs with the same URL. Fun fact, did you know that the first web browser was called World Wide Web and was created in 1990? It's amazing how far we've come in web technology. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests a method to detect tab duplication events in a Chrome extension. They propose using the onCreated and onUpdated event listeners to track new tabs and check if they match the original tab's URL and index. They also mention a cleanup process to remove closed tabs from the observable list, ensuring efficient memory usage. However, they note that there is currently no clear solution for detecting true duplicates. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative approach to detect tab duplication involves using session storage. The user suggests storing a unique variable in session storage within your content script. When the script runs, it checks for this variable to determine if the tab has been duplicated. In the manifest file, ensure your content script runs at document start. The content script communicates with the background script to check for duplicates based on tab ID and URL. Here's that valuable tip I promised. Always keep your Chrome extension updated with the latest API changes. This will ensure you have access to the best features and improvements. And there you have it. You now know how to detect tab duplication events in your Chrome extension. Remember, staying updated with the API is key. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced Chrome extension features.